Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the LG Gram Pro 2-in-1, a convertible laptop that's making waves in the tech world. Known for its ultra-light design and impressive features, let's see if this laptop lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the design. The LG Gram Pro 2-in-1 is incredibly light, earning it a Guinness World Record for being the lightest 2-in-1 laptop. It weighs just over 3 pounds and measures around 14.1 inches wide, 10 inches deep, and less than half an inch thick. Despite its featherweight build, it feels remarkably sturdy with minimal flex, thanks to its well-engineered chassis. Moving on to the display, you have the option of a 16-inch LCD or OLED touchscreen. Both variants offer vibrant colors and crisp detail, making them great for multimedia consumption and productivity tasks. The OLED option, especially, stands out with its deep blacks and excellent contrast. Under the hood, the LG Gram Pro 2-in-1 packs up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, which should handle everyday tasks with ease. Coupled with up to 32 GB of RAM and a spacious 2 TB SSD, this laptop offers plenty of power and storage for multitasking and storing large files. For graphics, it features Intel Arc graphics, suitable for light gaming and multimedia editing. The laptop also boasts a generous selection of ports including 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A, and an HDMI port. Though it lacks an SD card slot, which might be a drawback for some users. In terms of user experience, the keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with responsive keys, ideal for extended typing sessions. The touchpad is spacious enough for precise navigation, although slightly smaller compared to some competitors. One standout feature is the battery life. LG claims impressive endurance, and I'm eager to see how it performs in real-world scenarios. Stay tuned for our detailed battery test results in the full review. Overall, the LG Gram Pro 2-in-1 impresses with its blend of portability, performance, and display quality. It competes directly with offerings like the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360, offering a compelling alternative with its lighter weight and potentially better build quality. For anyone looking for a versatile, ultra-light convertible laptop with a gorgeous display and solid performance, the LG Gram Pro 2-in-1 is definitely worth considering. Keep an eye out for our full review where we'll dive deeper into performance benchmarks and real-world usage scenarios. That wraps up our first look at the LG Gram Pro 2-in-1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.